Jai Hind. In this video, we will discuss about the Rajya Sabha. I think you must have known about the Parliament of India. It has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. That is why it is called that our Parliament is bicameral because it has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of Parliament, while Rajya Sabha is the upper house of Parliament. Rajya Sabha has limited seats of 250. Out of 238 members are elected by the MLAs. MLAs means Minister of Legislative Assembly. And out of 12 members are nominated by the President. Here is an important question. You would be thinking that why 12 members are nominated by President? Because they are expert in particular field. That is why the President has to elect such types of persons in Rajya Sabha. Because sometimes the member of parliament have to face many problems when they present bill related to a particular subject like game, education and etc. etc. They face many problems because they have no more and more knowledge about such subjects. In such cases, they have a more chance to take a wrong decision. So, to reduce these chances, our president has to nominate such types of people who are more and more knowledge about such types of subjects like game, education and etc. etc. That is why these people are nominated. There is another important point that Rajya Sabha is a permanent house because it can't be dissolved, and the term of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. It cannot be dissolved. Why? Because 1/3 members of Rajya Sabha retired in 2 years. That is why it can't be dissolved, and the term of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. The Vice President of India presides a meeting of Rajya Sabha. It means that all the decisions and the meetings held in the supervision of Vice President. And the nominated persons, all those persons who are nominated by the President cannot cast their vote in the election of President because they are nominated by the President only. We cannot elect them. Only those people who are elected by the people of India directly or indirectly can cast their vote in the election of President. And those 238 members are elected by our MLAs, and MLAs are elected by us. That is why they have rights to cast their vote in the election of President. I think all the doubts related to the Rajya Sabha would have been cleared.